Good afternoon, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you really for joining us today to celebrate the launch of Africa IoT and AI Challenge. It's a very special day for Africa, so happy Africa Day for everyone. It's really a pride to join the African organizations and companies concerned with youth development, especially in the field of ICT. This is which established the youth to speak the language of the future. The past few months is specific for us here in Benya. We were very fruitful, inking several cooperation protocols with institutions, both inside and outside Egypt, mainly in Africa, in order to establish and develop the ICT infrastructure in this part of the world. This is in line with our vision of not only the contributing, for example, here in a country like Egypt, for a technologically superior Egypt, but also for a digitized region of MENA region. Today, we're really very proud to be sponsoring such a challenge, Africa IoT and AI Challenge, to support striving calibers in the ICT field and provide countries with qualified technical calibers, cadres who accelerate the digital transformation of the Arab world and Africa. Now, the world is going through this is the era of digital transformation. There is no doubt for this, reflecting the success and overall efficiency of the economy. No country seeking a real development, real sustainable development can hope to achieve its aims without strong ICT sector, strong ICT infrastructure that will be a sort of a catalyst for the development of any sector. This is the era now for this, and it will continue to be like this for the next at least 20 to 25 years. So we are lucky to be in this industry that is the industry that is affecting all the other industries and all the other sectors. Generally, the dimensions for the sustainable development strategy comprise of 3 dimensions. One is economic dimension that relies on transparency, efficiency, availability of energy and knowledge. Number 2, social. So number 1 is economic, number 2 is social, the social dimension, which stands on developing education, training, health, culture, social justice. The third is the environmental dimension, which is focusing mainly on the environment and urban development. Years ago, Benya was established with a clear mission, very focused and centered around enabling the development of knowledge-based society and strong digital economy relying on equitable and affordable access to knowledge and digital rights. Digital rights, not only digital needs. So the development of competitive, innovative national ICT industry is the only gate, the way and the gate to fully digitized services offered by public and private sector. We're very focused with all the different components that we are investing in to build the platform that's to be trusted by every nation that decides to transform their country digitally. So to be the trusted name for this. Egypt helped us a lot to build a good track record, because digital transformation cannot happen in anywhere in the world without not only blessing or support of the government or the leadership, it needs enforcement. So the government of Egypt, and because they believe in digital transformation, they invested heavily in this. They give us the opportunity to be able to build good track records during the last 4 years in specific. Africa, and we're considering ourselves, we're coming from the heart of Africa, for Africa. Africa has been the land of opportunities always, and full of resources, human capabilities, power, being the largest youngest population continent that is constantly growing rapidly, with 20% of the total population aging from 15 to 24 years, and 40% even younger than that. The potential of young people is driving force of any continent, so any specific for our continent, to be a collective prosperity by 2050. The teeming numbers of young Africans are forecast to form over a quarter of the world's labor force. Moreover, there is a growing consensus, we all agree on that, that Africa's youthfulness will continue to grow for the next 30 to 50 years, while the other continents, in a way, they are aging. With initiatives and programs like IoT and AI Challenge, Africa will be shaping the future through innovation and technological achievements. Over the past years, Benya has been the strategic partner of the government of Egypt to deploy Egypt Digital Transformation Plan. We have all the resources, skills, capital required, know-how needed to be the key enabler in digital transformation of the African nations. Our company mission and strategy in alignment with Egypt Vision 2030, providing also the countries with a wide range of IT products and services that foster digital inclusion, building capacities, ensuring cybersecurity, and achieving the transition to a knowledge-based economy. Sponsoring IoT and AI Challenge stems from our company's belief in the importance of readiness of the future, and thus the importance of investing in whom will lead Africa, in whom will lead it. In recent years, Africa has witnessed a digital entrepreneurship boom with hundreds of millions of dollars investments in tech industry. At Benya, we have been in the heart of the change, starting from fiber optic networks. We are building the biggest manufacturing facility for fiber optic in MENA region, and the production will be ready by early next year to serve Africa need for proper infrastructure for the development, digital development, up to top-notch innovations to build a strong digital economy. Following multiple of success stories in Egypt, the decision has been made, and we extended the change to African neighbors, joining Smart Africa Alliance, where we joined already Smart Africa as a gold member. Benya is currently working closely with the African body, and we are committed to supporting Smart Africa organization that shares our strategic ICT infrastructure vision towards providing capable resources that achieve the continent's digitization goals and objectives on several fronts, accelerating sustainable socioeconomic development and ushering the Africa into knowledge economy through affordable access to broadband and usage of information and communication technologies. In addition, Benya has recently signed an important shareholder agreement with the Société Congolaise du Poste Télécommunications, SCPT, to establish Benya Telecom DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo, in very central in Africa, big country, to build a new local telecommunication operator in partnership with SCPT to serve this big important country to connect all the cities with fiber optic networks, 16,000 kilometers of fiber, and connect all the cities and connecting them to the neighboring countries. The Democratic Republic of Congo have geostrategic position in the center of Africa, which makes DRC as a natural crossroads for trade between North and South Africa, as well as East and West. That's why it was a great step for us. We're very proud to achieve it, that we signed it with the leadership there. And we are already starting in this project, and we'll start to see deploying and delivering different phases of the project in the coming months. So DRC, it's going to be the largest telecommunication and digital hub by having this setup in Africa, linking Mediterranean and the Cape of Good Hope, the Atlantic and the Indian Ocean from west to east. On the other hand, the economic benefits induced by venture capital investments create enormous opportunities for a country to grow pioneers in venture VCs, venture capitals, and research emphasized that the crucial role of VC in promoting innovation and growth in early stage companies. The optimism was behind Benya's launch to its financial investment arm, Benya Ventures, which plays a significant role in entrepreneurship across Egypt and Africa. So Benya Venture will be the entity that will be focusing on the VC era with the AI IoT challenge. The company will be investing in the high potential digital startups in Africa, supporting Benya's reach to the startups ecosystem, where Africa Challenge correspondingly will enable Benya Ventures to explore talents and scale existing potential startups in the digital arena. Africa holds the future, and its youth has its keys. Benya will stay committed to enabling Africa digitally. We are proud of our African brothers, and we are honored to share their ambition to build a complete digital era for Africa. Thank you, everyone, and I hope a great success to all the participants of such a great challenge. Thank you.